Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you that how to get my AI on Snapchat, right? So very first thing, don't go to your Snapchat application. First of all, just go to your Google Play Store. And if you're using an iOS, then just go to the App Store because you need to update your Snapchat, right? And here in the search bar, I will search Snapchat and here you can see I've already updated, right? So if you have not updated your Snapchat, then in the place of open, it will show you update, right? Once you update it, just go to the open and it will show you the camera. Then here bottom left side you will see the chat section. Go to here and you will see this is my AI, right? And it is just like a friend. And if you have used ChatGPT, then this is exactly the same, right? So you can just let me show you. Right here you can, it says, hi, I'm your new AI chatbot, you can ask me just about anything, right? So right here, how are you, and right, and I'll just hit the enter and here it will give me answer, I'm doing great, thanks for asking, right? So this is pretty good AI. And if you don't get this option, then again, and let me show you one more feature before showing you that how to get it. So if you just click on profile icon, it is just like how it shows you your friend profile icon, right? The bio, the profile icon, everything, right? So that's nice. But if you don't get it, then just go to here on the top right side corner, the three dots, right? And here you can see there's no settings, right? So here I will just go to my profile icon, and again on the top right side corner there is a settings icon, right? And here after that, let's go to the bottom, and then under the support section you will find I need help. So just click on I need help, and again here you will find option tab which is called my AI, right? So just click on it. It will show you that how to access my AI, which I have already done, but you can get a lot of things, right? And if you're not able to access it, the only thing is that you need to update your Snapchat mobile application. So this is it guys, I hope you found this video really useful, and if you did, hit a like button. See you guys in the next video.